got it going. And I'm loading it down now. I got 4 1500 watt heaters, so it's got 6,000 watts, and then I got that light there running through the courtesy outlet, so that's about another, those lights are 250 each, so there's another 500, so about 6,500 watts we're running through it. And it's taking the load pretty good, smoking pretty good, trying to burn all the crap out of it and maybe clean the injectors out. I got some House fuel treatment in the tank. Right at 100%, maybe a little less. Right at 60 hertz. It's holding good oil pressure, about 45 psi. It's been running here for about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. Coolant temp hasn't come up over 140, so I don't know if the gauge might be bad. But it's taking the load, no problems. Hoping that smoke will clear up a little bit, but it's really not smoking too bad for being loaded down to 100%. So.